Hey there. Thanks for joining me. This is Mo Jasso. Hey, I want to take the next few minutes. I'm going to keep this short. Promise less than 10 minutes of your time. But I think I have the solution here. If you're a complete beginner, if you're a newbie, and you are looking for a true way, a proven way to make money online where you can connect and deploy, you can execute simple steps, then I believe I have the solution for you. And this is so powerful. There is so much value in this, but yet it's just a minimal, quick, cheap investment of $7 to get started. That's it. That's all you need. So basically, you can start your online business and start generating multiple commissions, multiple income streams for less than the price of a Big Mac. Gosh, I think the price of a Big Mac here in my area, I have a few kids and they like McDonald's. And, I'm not here promoting any brand or anything, but I'm saying it costs about $8.69 for a Big Mac combo. So for less than the price of a Big Mac combo, you can deploy and plug in to this powerful system that is converting very well right now. So this is a solution for you if you're just tired of the struggle, you're tired of the hype and the scams and all these shenanigans, and you're ready for something real, real system that can take you to getting those extra commissions daily and even getting you to that place of wanting to become financially free and possibly just focus on different things in life. This has the ability to show you the skills necessary, and this system alone has the ability to help you quit, the rat race and the 9 to 5 and the struggle. Or if you just want an extra income, this alone has the power to do so because it's doing it to hundreds and thousands of people around the world. So I'm going to show you a little proof in a little bit, but let me explain really quick. Again, I'm going to keep this very short. This is a powerful system I stumbled upon a couple months ago in my research to find something that can solve many people's problems. See, I want to give you here the keys, the solution to something that is proven, that is simple, and that you can connect to and start deploying and getting results. So if you can follow simple step-by-step instructions and you can execute, take action, that's all you need. Nothing else. You don't need tech skills. You don't need special skills of any kind. You don't need no diplomas, no degrees. If you can listen, if you can watch, you can take notes, see, and just follow a video step by step, pause and play, and deploy your system. That's all you need. If you can follow steps, you can achieve this. So, Partner with Anthony is a high converting offer where you can brand Anthony Morrison, 8-figure earner, multiple 8-figure earner. He's been doing this 15 or close to 20 years online, and you basically connect to the system he's using to generate 8 figures. I heard a 8-figure earner, and he's a coach, a life coach, etc. His name is Anthony Robbins, or also known as Tony Robbins. Many have heard about him. And, one of his quotes is, find someone that's having the success you want and copy what they're doing, and you're going to achieve similar or the same results as that person. So this is a true statement. And I've always remembered that quote from Tony Robbins. So this applies here in this case. You have an 8-figure earner named Anthony Morrison, and let me see, there's a picture of him somewhere around here. Let's see here, bear with me. Yeah, there you go, right there, Anthony Morrison. And you're basically plugging into his system to get multiple commissions. Affiliate marketing is the way to go. Affiliate marketing It's the way to generate passive income while you sleep, literally. And I'm going to show you just some simple proof by following the simple step by step, because I tested this out myself to see if it truly lived up to what it claimed. And this is no hype. I mean, no scam. This is the real deal. So, partner with Anthony, again, less than the price of a Big Mac meal at McDonald's. I mean, you can get started on this, and you go through a 30-day step-by-step video training with Anthony Morrison, and you basically go through the videos one day, and you finish that day. There's 4 modules here. You mark the session complete, and then it'll take you to session 2. That'll be day 2. And then you just go through the 3 modules and you mark complete. You take notes in here. There's a lot of mindset. You have to have the right mindset, because we've been just bombarded with how we're supposed to, have a career and, go clock in day and night. The entrepreneur mindset is different. So you got to kind of, train your mind to this entrepreneurial mindset and a business mindset, and not having to report to a boss, because you will become your own boss. Mindset, there's a lot of mindset training here in these sessions. And then the most important part, as you go through these daily sessions, again, you can go day by day for 30 days. You can't skip, because the whole focus is not to be overwhelmed. So, then you start getting into the core of it, affiliate marketing, the profit cycle. It is an ecosystem marketing system where you tap in to multiple commissions. They say that millionaires have at least 7 different income streams. So that's powerful when you can diversify. But yet, in this affiliate ecosystem marketing, you can have various income streams coming in, and that's really what's going to propel you to the next level. So day by day for 30 days, if you can follow instructions, that's all you need to do. So I want to show you just some simple proof. I deployed this. I'm going to prove this. I'm going to test this. I put on the mindset, okay, I'm going to just follow step by step. And look, these are simple, passive income. These are recurring. All these 350 are recurring commissions coming in, and different commissions, and there's many more. And this is just passively. I haven't executed and deployed in an accelerated fashion, a passive approach. And this is just results that are happening without me reaching out to people, without me getting on the phone, without putting on a suit and tie, just allowing this powerful partner with Anthony system, do its job. So it's so powerful, and the results prove it. Really no effort on my end other than just deploying the method that Anthony teaches. And there's, free methods for traffic. There's paid methods for traffic. Again, all depending on your decision, your budget. And, it's so powerful. You get access to this, once you sign up. You've gone through this sales page here, partner with Anthony, and it's just a measly $7 to get started. And you get connected to a weekly live training with Anthony that happens during the week at 9 p.m. And rain or shine, and you connect, and it fills up quick. I mean, there's a private Facebook group that you'll have access to when you sign up for less than the price of a Big Mac. Right here, this Facebook group, when you're in the Morrison Education portal, and you can connect, and you'll see people posting daily results. I mean, there's over 20,000, I believe actually over 25,000 people in this private Facebook group. You can connect with Anthony directly, his Instagram, Twitter, YouTube channel, but here is a community of people like me and you, newbies. And this also works for those that have experience with affiliate marketing and want an extra a high converting funnel, an extra generating income stream. So this is another option for those people already with experience. But if you're complete newbie, newbies are having success with this. So one other thing is when I say plug in with partner with Anthony Morrison is basically you get his funnels. Once you start going through the training, you're going to get access to this other newsletter members area. Again, just for the price of less than the price of a Big Mac meal. And you'll get all these high converting squeeze pages that you're going to learn how to deploy and be able to start using this powerful system and leveraging it and being able to start seeing some kind of results happen. I mean, the system literally does the selling and telling for you. So here I am trying to share this powerful solution. If you don't have any copywriting, here's some powerful emails, he's giving you, that are converting powerfully. And, he's giving them to you right here, and you can just, connect them to your system and deploy and get you started, help you get started as you gain the experience that it is comes along with just executing this system. And I mean, he gives you everything. This powerful resource is right here at your fingertips, all for the less than the price of a Big Mac. But, it is so powerful because you will be able to connect on his weekly live trainings, and he's going to help you build your business. He's going to give you the inside scoop, the insiders, inside information on what's working right now, what's converting. He's going to help you take your business to the next level. Here's one example, one income stream, Anthony is generating, and it works. Again, look at the simple results I'm getting without any selling, without any heartache, just deploying the steps that he gives us in all these sessions. So I want to encourage you to take action. If you're tired of the hype, you're tired of all the scams and you're ready for something real, here it is, and this can be a life-changing opportunity for you. So, when you see a good opportunity, jump on it, jump on it. And you'll be able to start tapping into multiple income streams all under the umbrella of Partner with Anthony. And everything is explained here. No overwhelm. I want to make the emphasis on that statement. No overwhelm. And you can go back after you finish your 30 days and go through each video. And, there'll be intense ones on how to set up, your different tools that you need, in this business. So I just want to encourage you to take action and go and click on the link, and it's going to take you to the sales page here, and you're going to be able to sign up for just $7 measly and get going right here. $7, for all of this. You're going to get some bonuses right here. Powerful. I mean, this is overvalued, and this is really, I believe, soon going to be at a higher price. I believe $197 a month. So that seems to be more like the legitimate price. Anyways, for less than the price of a Big Mac meal, you can get started and you can execute without overwhelm, and you can gain this powerful knowledge and access to the system that's converting like crazy. So anyways, take action right now and reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and have a great day.